In this video, we are going to be going over the standard register within the ThunderPOS iPad application. We're going to do this in demo mode, so we just have a fresh install here, and we're just going to hit try out the app in demo mode. You can try this yourself. If you hit the settings button up here in the top left that looks like a gear, you can select between the standard and touch registers. We're going to be going over the standard register. There is another video that goes through the touch register if you want to check that out. So the standard register is really meant to be used with a scanner. We do not have one hooked up here, so we're going to just kind of work with it. But to add items here, even without a scanner and without knowing the barcode, you can just hit the items button along the bottom to search for items and everything. And then if we have this on here, just so that I can see the item ID, we're going to sell a copy of this one used as well. Now this item is at $0, both new and used, but that'll let us have items on the register here we can work with. So then we hit add and it adds it. And we had selected used in the top right there. If you just tap the items on the invoice screen, you can then modify them. So we'll just override and set prices here. We'll set $59.99 new and then $29.99 used. So that at least gives us a couple of things here on the invoice. You can also hit misc item to just sell an item that is not in your inventory. So we'll do that right quick. We'll just call it misc item and we'll sell it for $5.99. It's then going to ask us about what tax rates we want to have apply to it. And then we can also change, new and used and sale or return or trade here in the top right. And then we'll sell a gift card by hitting the gift card button. We'll just sell a $5 gift card on this invoice. So now we got a fairly complex invoice. Let's put this on hold. We'll just hit suspend in the bottom. It's the blue suspend button. And then you fill in a suspension ID, which makes it easier to search for later if it's not recalled right away. But for this one, when we go down to the transaction screen, it's going to be the most recent one, so we can just hit resume on the top there. And then to cancel, which would get rid of it, you just hit the red button, but to check out, you hit the green button, and then you hit your tender type. And we'll do this one as cash, but it's fairly straightforward for any of them. And we'll do exact change and check out. And that's a real easy way to just be done with this transaction. So we've taken it in cash. Now on this screen, the one non-obvious element may be that these blue links for like used condition or trade-in or the customer, you can tap those to bring up dialogues where you can select between them. But if you have any other questions, just contact support. We'll be glad to assist you.